Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, everyone. It's great to see you again. Yesterday, we learned to say hello and our names. So, today we go further. You will introduce yourself fully, your name, your country, and your job. And you will learn today to introduce a friend too. This is how almost every English conversation begins. So, these are the things that you will learn today. So here are some ways to introduce yourself. For example, if you are just one who have to introduce yourself to someone, so you will say, I am Ali. And just suppose that if there are two-person and you have to introduce two-person, so first of all, you will introduce to second one, then you will introduce yourself. For example, if you are Sarah, so first of all, you will introduce, he is Ali and I am Sarah. So this is about when you are introducing you and Ali to third person. And for example, if you have to introduce three-person to someone else, so at that time, first of all, you will introduce he, okay? Like he is Ali, she is Sarah, and I am Ahmed. So like this, you will introduce to someone. This is the actual way. It does not matter whether you are speaking or writing. You just have to introduce like this, whether you are writing application or story or you are just speaking. So here are today's words. Listen and repeat. Name, country, from, job, student, work. Are you married or single? This is, and nice to meet you. Like, what's your name? I'm Ahmed. Where do you live? I live in Pakistan. Where are you from? I'm from Lahore. And one more thing, that uh, if in you are in Pakistan and the second person is also from Pakistan, so then you won't say that I am from Pakistan, but you will say I'm from Lahore. What's your job or what do you do? I'm a teacher. Where do you work? I work in XYZ. Are you single or married? I am single or I am married. So if you have to introduce the second person, so you will say, this is Ali. Here, I would like to tell one more thing here that when you are going to introduce the second person, so you won't say that is Ali or that is Hasib, but you will say this is. This is used for things that is near to you, and that's one person. And that is spoken, the thing that is far away, and that's one. And for example, if things are plural, then you would use these. And same with that, if the things are plural and they are far away, then you will use those. And at last, nice to meet you. If you get confusion somewhere, so you can ask in comment. So when you meet to someone, so there are the three questions that you can ask. What's your name? Where are you from? And what do you do? Sarah, three ways when you meet to some strange person. So if someone is asking you, so you will reply like this: My name is Ahmed. I'm from Lahore. I'm a teacher. I'm is a contraction. So you also can say I am. Use what is feasible for you, what is convenient for you. So here are pronouns: I, you, he, and she. Pronouns are the words which are used instead of noun, such as, the part of speech. So a noun is the name of person, place, and thing, like Ahmad, Lahore, book. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are used instead of noun. Okay, when we don't speak the name, so instead of those names, we speak pronoun. The question is why this is mandatory, why it is compulsory. Because if you have to write a paragraph and on each line you just say Ahmed is a boy, Ahmed reads well, Ahmed goes to school, so it looks just a bit awkward. So when you use pronouns and different names, so it makes your writing beautiful. Like Ahmed is a teacher. He teaches in schools, college, or university, and so on. So pronunciation will also you will make good, like I, you, he, she. So I always come at the start of sentence because this is subjective case. He will also come at the start. This is also subjective case, and she will also come at the start. That's also a subjective case. Subjective case is that case which words come at the start of sentence, like he, she, I, we. And such as you can see below, I've mentioned me. So me is an objective case. It will always come at the last of the sentence. So you, we address the person I talk to. He is spoken for a man or boy, and she is spoken for a woman or girl. So, for example, if you have to introduce a male person, so you would say, This is Ali. He's from Pakistan. He is a student. This is a short introduction. And for example, if you have to introduce any girl, then you would say, This is Sarah. She is from Egypt and she is a teacher. So look at this short talk. First, listen to me, read both people, person A and person B. Okay. And later you can make practice with your friend, brother, sister, or someone else. But must make this kind of practice. Person A, Hi, what's your name? Person B, I'm Sarah. What's your name? My name is Ali. Where are you from? I'm from Egypt. And you? I'm from Pakistan. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you. So now everyone together now, just listen and repeat. What's your name? My name is Ahmed. Where are you from? I'm from Lahore. What do you do? I'm a teacher. So in dash column, you have to mention your name, where are you from, and what do you do? This is your short introduction. So you can use your this introduction everywhere when you are introducing yourself. So these are the sentences. So make it very well. So it should be like this, that you are speaking those words in a natural way. So it will be an activity after the class. You will be in a room with two partners, three people. So there you have to introduce yourself, your name, country, and job. Then you have to introduce a partner, okay? And you have to make this practice at least 5 minutes. If I give you example here, my name is Ahmed, I'm from Lahore, I'm a teacher. And if I am introducing my friend, so I will say, this is Ali, he is from Islamabad, he is a carpenter. And if she is a girl, so I would say, this is Sarah, she is from Egypt, she is a musician. So here are contractions. What is? So when we will write what and then apostrophe and then s, then it will be spoken what's. Okay. If you can pronounce, it's good because it gives natural tone. But if you are facing difficulty, that you don't need to be, perfection is mandatory. Okay. You have to speak well. Each or everyone can understand that you are speaking I'm or I am. So I would suggest first you make it better. What is? I am. He is. She is. And when you get that fluency in here, so after that you can go with I'm, his, and she's. So I'm means I am. What's mean? What is? His means he is. She's means she is. So here you have to introduce three people at least. I'm giving you an example. Just listen. My name is Umar. I'm from Turkey. I'm an engineer. Number two example. My name is Fatima. I'm from Egypt. I'm a student. Number three. My name is Lee. I'm from China. I'm a doctor. So like this, you have to make some practice like this. So let's fix it together. Some students who make mistakes here. So you have to understand this. So I from Turkey. This is not a correct sentence. You will speak, I'm from Turkey. The second one, she is teacher. No, she is a teacher. You will use article here. Articles like there are two articles in English, definite article, indefinite article. A is indefinite article, a and an. So here the a will come. An comes before vowel sounds and a comes before consonant sound. So she is a teacher. It are represent to a single person. So the third, he from India. No, you won't make this mistake. So you will say he is from India or he is from Pakistan. He is from Dubai. He is from Qatar. So like this. This is a correct sentence. So here is a small activity. Can you say your name, country, and job? Speak it at least 2 times and ask what's your name and where you from and introduce yourself. If you are good here, show me a thumbs up if you can do it. Good. So for homework, prepare a 4 sentence introduction, name, country, job, and nice to meet you, and record it as a voice note. And if you like, introduce a family member using he or she, and you can send me in a group. So great job today. You can now introduce yourself, name, country, and job, and introduce a friend. So next class, we will learn the alphabet, sounds, how to pronounce the letters, spelling, and numbers. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Goodbye.